Welcome to the entertainment capital of the world, Las Vegas. Today, we're going to show you how to make the most of a 48-hour family trip in this vibrant city. Begin your day by checking into a family-friendly suite at the Mirage. With spacious rooms and a wide range of amenities, it's an excellent choice for families. Start your day right with a hearty breakfast at the Pantry, known for its farm-fresh food that appeals to every palate. For some adrenaline-pumping fun, make your way to the Adventuredom at Circus Circus. This 5-acre indoor amusement park has thrilling rides and attractions for all ages. After an exhilarating morning, grab lunch at the Rainforest Cafe. With its unique jungle-themed setting, it's an eating adventure your family will love. Spend your afternoon at the Discovery Children's Museum. Its interactive exhibits across 3 floors are both fun and educational. Next, swing by M&M's World. 4 floors of colorful fun dedicated to these iconic candies will surely make the kids' day. As the evening approaches, treat your family to a magic show at the MGM Grand. Matt Franco's family-friendly performance is filled with astonishing magic tricks, humor, and audience interaction. Finally, wrap up your day with a meal fit for a king at the Tournament of Kings. Enjoy a 3-course dinner while watching a medieval jousting tournament. Welcome to day 2 of our 48-hour family trip in Las Vegas. We've got another day full of fun and adventure planned for you. Start your day with a breakfast at Peppermill Restaurant and Fireside Lounge. Its vintage Vegas feel and hearty breakfasts make it a family favorite. Next, step into history at the Neon Museum. This outdoor space is home to iconic Las Vegas signs from yesteryears, offering a unique look into the city's vibrant history. Afterwards, explore the underwater world at the Shark Reef Aquarium at Mandalay Bay. This massive aquarium is home to over 2,000 animals, including sharks, turtles, piranhas, and a giant Komodo dragon. For lunch, head to Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen. The kids will love the burgers, while the adults can indulge in signature dishes from the celebrity chef. In the afternoon, catch panoramic views of the city on the High Roller Observation Wheel. This isn't just any Ferris wheel, it's the world's tallest. Wrap up your day with dinner at the Downtown Container Park, an open-air shopping center filled with unique retail shops and restaurants. The centerpiece here is the Treehouse, a fun playground for kids. And with that, we conclude 48 hours of family fun in Las Vegas. This city has something for everyone, and we hope your family made some unforgettable memories.